Well, when I was approached by the largest chemical company in the world, and they asked me if I would evaluate how atrazine affected amphibians or my frogs. Turns out atrazine is the largest selling product for the largest chemical company in the world. It's the #1 contaminant of groundwater, drinking water, rainwater. In 2003, after my studies, it was banned in the European Union, but in that same year, the United States EPA re-registered the compound. We were a bit surprised.
Peace, family. The biochemical warfare that has been launched against this human organism starts in the sperm and the egg. They have attacked the sperm and the egg, the biological coding of the human organism, with the chemicals that alter the actual sexuality of the human organism.
In recent studies that we've published, we showed that some of these animals, when they're exposed to atrazine, some of the males grow up and completely become females. So these are actually two brothers consummating a relationship. And not only do these genetic males mate with other males, they actually have the capacity to lay eggs, even though they're genetic males. What we propose,
beginning in the sperm and the egg, the toxic chemicals that are in the food, the water, the air, the medicines, and everything that we come in contact with is and has contaminated the sperm and the egg, producing within the chromosomes of the sperm and the egg hormonal propensities that, when they meet and develop the human organism, is not in line with its anatomical reality. This is where you
generated support for is that what atrazine is doing is wreaking havoc, causing a hormone imbalance. Normally the testis should make testosterone, the male hormone, but what atrazine does is it turns on an enzyme, the machinery, if you will, aromatase, that converts testosterone into estrogen. And as a result, these exposed males lose their testosterone, they're chemically castrated, and they're subsequently feminized because now they're making the female hormone. Now this is what brought me to the human-related issues, because it turns out that the #1...
I was born gay at. They are not lying. They have actually been born with the hormonal propensity not in congruence with their anatomical and physiological reality. This is the truth. Therefore, those of you who are seeking to reproduce, you must eat clean, plant-based foods. You must make sure what you are spraying in your house as far as your chemicals for the cleaning, as far as your hair products, your cosmetics, they cannot be contaminated. They must be organic. They must be free of those gender-bending chemicals that you see on the screen. Again, this is a reality. Sexuality is being altered even before that child is born, because you are not doing what you need to do to protect your hormonal integrity and the integrity of the sperm and the egg. We must do better. Peace.